Apple cider vinegar treatment to eliminate blackheads. Apple cider vinegar treatment mask with sodium bicarbonate. Mix 2 tablespoons all of sodium bicarbonate and apple cider vinegar treatment inside a bowl. Make sure that it forms bubbles and stir well to create a fine paste. Spread a thick layer of the paste on all around the face with your fingers. Lie lower and relax yourself for around 20 half an hour or up until the mask dries. Rinse it completely with tepid to warm water adopted having a mild face cleaner. Dry the skin and apply moisturizer. Repeat exactly the same process regularly to obtain respite from blackheads. Apple cider vinegar treatment face pack with clay. Add enough quantity of raw apple cider vinegar treatment in 1 tablespoon of clay. Stir well to create a fine paste and apply this evidently just like a mask but concentrate more about blackheads affected skin areas. Let it rest on for around 15-20 minutes or even more till it dries completely. Rinse the face with tepid to warm water and dry it completely. Keep doing exactly the same process regularly to get rid of blackheads onto the skin. Apple cider vinegar treatment with Fuller's Earth. Make a paste of apple cider vinegar treatment and Fuller's Earth. Put it on in your face and it till it dries completely. Wash it with tepid to warm water. Apple cider vinegar treatment with mint leaves. Add 3 tablespoons crushed mint leaves to 3 tablespoons apple cider vinegar treatment. Mix rid of it, store it inside a container by having an airtight lid. Leave the mix inside a awesome dark spot for per week. Strain the mix and add a mug of water. Dip a cotton pad into the mixture and put it on in your face. Allow it to remain for many hours before rinsing with water. The remaining mixture could be kept in the refrigerator. Apple cider vinegar treatment. Pour some organic apple cider vinegar treatment in a tiny bowl. Dip a clear cotton swab within this vinegar and put it on around the blackheads affected skin areas, especially on nose. Allow it to take couple of minutes and rinse the region with tepid to warm water. Dry it and repeat exactly the same process 2-3 occasions daily before you get respite from blackheads.